So, hey guys, what's up? I'm sure you all must be having fun wherever you are. Like, you must be visiting France, you must be visiting Canada, you must be visiting America. But did you know that there's also some very, very good stuff in India too? Of course, the Taj Mahal, but also in Maharashtra. And I'm going to tell you about 37 of those facts of Maharashtra. So, let's start. Number one, Maharashtra is considered the most important state in India. Number two, it was created on 1st May 1960. Number three, it is also the richest state in India. Number four, it is also the third largest state by area. Number five, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra with a population of about 20 million people. Number six, Maharashtra main language is Marathi. Number 7. Maharashtra is made up of two Sanskrit words, Maha and Rashtra, which means big country. Number 8. More than 80% of the people here are Hindus. Number 9. Mumbai is the financial capital of India due to Maharashtra's high GDP rate. Number 10. Some notable personalities from Maharashtra are Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Veer Savarkar, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, etc. Then number 11, the great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is the one who contributed the most to the settlement of Maharashtra. Number 12, the city of Nashik in Maharashtra is the largest supplier of onions in India, as we can grow onions thrice a year in Maharashtra rather than just once in other states. Maharashtra has 6 airports, of which Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is the most famous. 2 main ports, namely Jawaharlal Nehru Port and Mumbai Port, and 48 other ports. Number 14. JNP, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, is the largest container port in the country. Number 15. The state has a road network of about 3 lakh kilometers and 6 lakh kilometers. Then Number 17. In Maharashtra's Shani Shingnapur, houses have no doors and yet there is no theft, as there is a tradition saying that a thief will be punished by Lord Shani if he commits a theft. Number 18. This state also celebrates its state day, Maharashtra Divas, when people stay in their homes and celebrate. It is also celebrated as Dry Day. Number 19. Maharashtra is the only state in the country that has two metro cities, Mumbai and Pune. Number 20. The city of Nagpur in Maharashtra is also known as the Orange City, as the quality of oranges from this city is incomparable to any other orange variety. 21. Lavli, Dhangari Gaja, Lezim, Koli, Gondhar and Tamasha are the main dance forms in Maharashtra. Number 22. Out of the 12 temples of Lord Shiva, 3 are located in Maharashtra. Number 23. Some of the important temples in Maharashtra are Trimbakeshwar Shiva Temple, Bhimasnakar Temple, Grishneshwar Temple, etc. Number 24. Besides these temples, the Sri Sai Baba Temple in Ahmednagar is another very famous temple in Maharashtra dedicated to Lord Sai Baba. Number 25. Mango, grapes, banana, oranges, wheat, maize, rice, etc. are the main crops in Maharashtra. Number 26. Chemical engineering, petroleum, pharma, steel, machine tools, etc. are the main occupations in the state. Number 28. Mumbai's Haji Ali Maqbara is about 400 years old and was built in the early 15th century. Nice. Number 29. Maharashtra has around 350 forts and thus it is also called the land of the forts. And then number 30. Most companies have their headquarters in Mumbai. Number 31. Mumbai is also the largest city in Maharashtra. Number 32. Mumbai's film industry is also the largest in the Bollywood industry. Number 33. India's first film, Raja Harishchandra, was made in Maharashtra in 1913 by Dadasaheb Phalke in Nashik. He made 23 films from 1913 to 1918. Number 34. Mumbai was the first city to be discovered as it was the most important city during the British times. Number 35. India's first 5-star hotel was built in Mumbai in 1903. Number 36. The Lonar Lake in Maharashtra was formed by an asteroid impact and is about 5 lakh years old. Can you believe that? And finally, we get on to the last one. Number 37. Maharashtra's most famous fort is the Vijayadurg Fort and was built in 1913 by Raja Bhoj in Sindhudurga. It served as a boundary to keep enemies from entering. And that's it, folks. I'm sure you must got to learn many new things. And so subscribe to the channel is really worth it if you really want more content like this. So do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with other people so that more people know about this knowledge, and just have a look in the description. I've kept a surprise for you. Click on the link. No, it's not the Rick Astley dance. I'll see you later. Bye.